So hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video, we will see how we can choose a broker with the help of Forex Factory website. So first of all, what we have to do is we have to come to the Forex Factory website. So as we can see, we are on the Forex Factory website, and if you can see, we have these brokers on the left hand side. So we can see that we have these different brokers on the left hand side, and we have some details right here. So we will talk about all this in this video, right? So let's start one by one. So we can see here that we can see these brokers on the left hand side. So what we have here is we have this company information here. So as we can see, we have the company information, then we have the trading conditions, then we have the real-time spread, and then we have the support. So what we can also do at the same time, we can expand these. If you see this button here, if you click on this, you will the information, you will basically see more information. So what is the more information available here? You can see we have in the company, and suppose you are looking for this particular broker, so we have all this information. So what is the information? So where is the headquarters? We can see Limassol, Cyprus is the headquarters. So what is the year this broker founded in? This is the year this broker founded in. So what are the regulations this broker has? So basically this is regulated from ASIC, SISEC, and FCA, right? Then the website of this broker, and who is the CEO of this broker, how many employees this broker has, and total awards, and how many followers on Twitter. So you can see all this information for different different brokers. As you can see here, this is going to be the company information. Now let's go to more information, and that more information is, now let's go to the trading conditions. In the trading conditions, what we can see in the trading condition, we can see which platforms are being offered by the broker. So like for example, capital.com, we have they are offering MT4 and trading view, and maximum leverage is 30-1. You can see it for all the brokers on the left hand side which are available, like the minimum trade, 1 micro lot is the minimum they are offering. So total number of pairs, they are offering 125 pairs. What are the different markets available? So the different markets available: crypto, energy, equities, the metal, and the stocks. Commissions, they don't charge any commissions. The client manager, they don't have any client manager. In terms of the app, they offer the Android and the iPhone apps as well. So now let's go to real-time spread. Now real-time spread is basically giving you the spread of the different pairs. Now because now the market is open, I'm making this video on Saturday. So now if you check this website and this particular page on any working day from Monday to Friday, you will see the live spread of all these pairs. Now for example, capital.com is on the top, so we can see these we can check the real-time spreads of all these different pairs. So as we can see, Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, so all these pairs you can check the live spread here at any given time during the day. Same for this broker, and for the XM you can find, for the OctaFx you can see. So this is also good tool to also compare the spreads of a particular pair with the different brokers, right? So now also let's go to support. What is available in the support? So in the support, we can see what information we have available in the support. So like for example, for the capital.com, which is on the top, in the support, minimum deposits like a 20 base, we can have the we have the minimum deposit. For the Pepperstone, we have the 200 AUD, Australian dollar. Like again, let's go to the base currency. So these are the different base currencies offered by the capital.com. When you're going to open the account, you can open account with any of these base currency, whether that is AED, CHF, Euro, GBP, Hong Kong dollar, and so on. When we talk about the languages, the support that these brokers provide, so like capital.com provides support on the 13 different languages. And if you basically come here, if you bring your cursor over this search icon, you can see these are the different languages that the broker provides support on. If you go to any other broker, so like this broker Pepperstone already mentioned Chinese, English, French, German, Italian, Spanish. XM is providing support on 27 languages, and if you put your cursor, bring your cursor on the search icon, you can see all these 27 languages where they provide support on. Now next is hours. I mean, like support hour, they are providing the support, but how many hours they are providing the support? So like for the capital.com, we provide support 24/7, right? And if you want to see like if they have any comment here, so we can bring the cursor on search icon, they can see varies by the language. So they provide 24/7, but depends upon the language. So for Pepperstone, it's a market hours, they provide support during the market hours. Again, Axon provide the 24/7, and they say EU support available during market hours only. For other languages, they provide support 24/7. So this is about the support. Deposit with, so here they are mentioning like they have the different method of deposit. So here we can say deposit with 7 methods. So capital.com, we have 7 methods of deposit, and what these 7 methods are, these 7 methods are like you can see Apple Pay, bank wire, credit card. So you can see these different methods. If you bring your cursor here, you can see these 9 methods offered by the Pepperstone. We can see bank wire, BPay, credit card, debit card, all these options. XM provide 21 methods. You can see bank wire, credit card, debit card, fast pay, zero pay. So these are the different payment methods available on these different brokers. Then we can talk about the fees. Fees is if you keep your account inactive for some time, do they charge you fees or not? So they can say they charge fees for inactivity. If you see more details, vary by the region. So it depends upon which region you belong to. So here we can see that this broker XM also charge on inactivity fees. Now let's go to the demo experience. Demo experience is basically like when you open demo account with this broker. So like in how many days, for how many days you can use the demo account. So here we can see the expiry of that demo account. So here for the capital.com, we can see the demo account is going to be available for the 15 days. After that, the account is going to be expired. For Pepperstone, we have 30 days. After that, the account is going to expire. Here we can see that 60 days available for the XM, but 60 days is inactivity. The account will be expired if it stays inactive for 60 days. Now let's go a little bit to the downside to see about other. So if we see this icon, this means the account will never expire. So if we talk about the CMC broker, your demo account will never expire. So this is the different information that you can compare on these different brokers. Also, there is something more. If you come here, click on this icon, you can see a new window pop up. So here are the different filters that you can put in. What are the different filters? If you select all Forex brokers and apply settings, so you will see all the brokers from top to the bottom, right? But if you want the brokers only, like all Forex brokers non-US, so those brokers which do not work in US, and you select this one, apply settings, so you will see only the brokers which do not work in the US, right? Now let's go to some other options. So like if you are looking for the brokers which have headquarters in Australia, then you can select that Australia, and you click apply setting. You will see all these brokers which have headquarters in Australia, right? So you can get the company information as well. You can see all these brokers have the headquarters in Australia, right? Now let's go to some other regulations. So we have all the different regulations available here. So if you're looking for a broker which is regulated in a particular region, suppose you are looking for the brokers which has regulation of ASIC, right? So you select the ASIC and you say apply. So you will get all these brokers which has regulations of ASIC. So you in the regulations you will see all these brokers have ASIC available. So you can see here we have the ASIC, we have the ASIC, we have the ASIC, and we have the ASIC. So that is something based on the regulation. Also you can select your brokers. Now let's see more. Then if you want to compare if you selected brokers, then you can compare them here. Suppose I want to compare Exness and suppose FXCM and IC markets, and suppose we have the Octa, and suppose like Wenda. So these are the different brokers I want to compare, on these different parameters available. So now we have these different brokers. So you can see, basically you can compare them, in terms of the company informations about the headquarters, the year they founded in, the regulations, and I mean, the different pairs available, the base currency, the deposit methods, the languages, the support that they are providing. You can compare the spreads on the different pairs on these different brokers, and about the support information. So that is how you can compare the different brokers. So that was the video, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you in order to how you can choose the brokers and how you can compare them based on the different parameters available on the Forex Factory. So that's it, guys. This was the video. I hope you liked the video, and if you really did like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel in order to support the channel and YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much. See you in another video.